Hello, boys and girls. So today for my reading log, I'm going to be reading Under the Covers. That is the space that I'm going to mark off today. And I'm going to be reading a fiction book to you called Anansi the Spider. And this is a tale from Africa. And in their stories that are passed down from generation to generation, Anansi is a really popular figure in those stories. So I'm going to read you a story about Anansi. Anansi, he is Spider to the Ashanti people. In Ashanti land, people love this story. The Kawaku Anansi. Time was Anansi had 6 sons. First son was called Sea Trouble. He had the gift of seeing trouble a long way off. The second son was Road Builder. Thirsty son was River Drinker. Next son was Game Skinner. Another son was Stone Thrower. And last of sons was Cushion. He was very soft. All were good sons of Anansi. One time Anansi went a long way from home, far from home. He got lost, and he fell into trouble. And in the pictures here, we can see what kind of trouble he got into. What does it look like what does it look like happened to him? Back home was son Sea Trouble. Father is in danger, he cried. He knew it quickly, and he told those other sons. Road Builder's son said, "Follow me." So Sea Trouble had the gift of being able to see when people are in trouble, so he saw that Anansi was in trouble. Off he went, making a road. They went fast, those 6 brothers, gone to help Anansi. Where is father now? Fish has swallowed him. Anansi is inside fish. River Drinker took a big drink. No more river. Then Game Skinner helped father Anansi, and he split open fish. More trouble came right then. So now what's coming for him? It was Falcon who took Anansi up in the sky. Quick now, Stone Thrower. The stone hit Falcon. Anansi fell through the sky. Now Cushion ran to help father. Very soft Anansi came down. They were very happy, that spider family. All home again that night, Kawaku Anansi found a thing in the forest. What is this? A great globe of light? Oh, mysterious and beautiful, I shall give this to my son, said Anansi, to the son who rescued me. But which son of the 6 deserves the prize? So he wants to give a gift to his son that saved him, but all of them kind of help. Niam, can you help me? Oh, Niam, called Anansi. For Ashanti people, Niam is the god of all things. Anansi asked this of Niam. Please hold the beautiful globe of light until I know which son should have it for his own. And so they tried to decide which son deserved the prize. They tried, but they could not decide. They argued all night. Niam saw this. The God of all things, he took the beautiful white light up into the sky. He keeps it there for all to see. It is still there. It will always be there. It is there tonight. And that's the end. So this story was about how the moon came to be. So in the Ashanti tribe, they believe that that is how the moon came to be in the sky. So if we look at our reading log for today, let me make my screen smaller. For Tuesday, we're supposed to draw the main character of our book and then tell 1, 2, 3, 4 adjectives that describe them. And you can tell things about their personality, you can tell traits that they have, you can tell what they looked like. So what I would do in mine is I would draw Anansi, and then he cares about his son, so I would probably put he's caring. He persevered through all that trouble, so he is really strong. I would put that he is a spider because that's what kind of animal he is. And things that really describe what he looks like and his character, okay? Don't just put physical things like what they look like. Also put some of those character traits, who they are as a person, okay? Hope you all enjoyed this story. I hope you all are enjoying your own stories that you're reading. And thank you for reading with me.